You're watching EDS TV.
Cigarette sellers were among the most enthusiastic pioneers in the use of network broadcasting for coast-to-coast advertising. By 1930,
the driver and passenger of the white Honda SUV were both teens. They run out of their car moments later after the crash, so I'm guessing it was stolen. The camera's left turn lane was better than their left turn lane. She didn't even notice that she almost met God.
Just from having a physical body and being able to feel pleasure, things that you don't, physical touch and stuff, right?
Oh, crash behind us. Oh, wow.
That could have been a 5-hour delay if they'd hit more cars. Actually, never mind, it's the 401. There's probably several 5-hour delays anyways.
Sorry, guy.
Braking is more effective than swerving when it comes to collision avoidance. Just a future FYI tip. While the person merging in late is in the wrong, it's even worse to press advantage like that.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Don't include me.
You signed a red flag into a song.
Oh my God.
It's cool. I got a license plate.
This is the calmest "I just got hit" I've seen in a while. They're both so chill, and I love it when he says, "It's cool, I got his license plate." Calm and collected is the proper way to handle a situation like this. This just blows my mind. How can you have so little regard for your surroundings that you put yourself and others in harm's way? If it weren't for the Tesla collision avoidance system, this could have ended much worse. The Bronco accelerated into them, looking almost intentionally trying to force the Hyundai back into their lane, but caused the accident instead. These idiots honestly think that there can't possibly be anyone else on the highway except themselves. They have a nasty wreck coming their way, eventually. Why is it always the left lane that comes to a full stop in minor traffic on highways? I know driverless cars aren't there yet, but I welcome them because of dashcam clips like these. The guy in front of the camera did the good deed. The camera was not in a position to offer. He should have just kept on moving. Again, the SUV didn't stop. What's the matter with people? Nobody wants to accept responsibility for their actions. If you can decipher the plates, please give it a go in the comment section.
4K, I think. No.
Although the markings are good until the paint wears off, this is not a very intuitive road intersection. I'm not a big fan of the sweeping driving lanes. Shouldn't someone coming out of parking always check and yield? The sad thing is, most people have no idea how parking lots work, so that is a big assumption. Let me guess, there was no one behind the camera. Fantastic reaction from the camera for this save, because this could have been a disaster. Look at the size of those mirrors that they didn't use. On the bright side of things, the driver was very apologetic, nice, and accepted liability. Are we gonna ignore the tortilla sitting on the dash? A burrito sounds honestly really good right now. This looks very DUI-ish, especially if that driver ran. But given that it's in New York City, this could very well be an average New York City driver. I was honestly expecting them to drive past the camera, flip him off while screaming and cussing at him. Stupid car for running from the cops, stupid car stopped to rubberneck, and stupid car following the stupid rubbernecker for way too long.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.